Feeling overwhelmed by emotions? Discover the ancient wisdom of Stoicism to regain control and find inner peace. Marcus Aurelius teaches us that managing emotions is key to maintaining self-control and clarity in relationships, heartbreak, toxic connections, or emotional turmoil. Stoicism offers practical lessons to navigate these challenges. Learn how to let go of emotional attachments using the timeless principles of Stoic philosophy. The Stoic approach helps you deal with toxic people and negative emotions with strength and dignity. Apply Marcus Aurelius's wisdom to build emotional resilience and stay grounded in difficult situations. Techniques to remain calm and detached can empower you to face life's challenges with a clear mind. Discover how Stoic practices can help you detach from someone you love without losing your inner peace. Embrace the Stoic mindset to master emotional detachment and achieve personal growth. Unlock the secrets of Stoicism to control your emotions and live a life of tranquility and resilience.